You need to make sure you look exactly the way you vision on looking, the best version of yourself. So you need to make sure that you book the correct makeup artist for your special day. And in order to help you with that, I'm going to be sharing with you all 5 questions today that you need to make sure that you ask your makeup artist in order to know them better before booking them. Hi guys, my name is Muskan Hingorani and I'm a professional makeup artist, and in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you all the questions that you need to ask your makeup artist so that you'll know them better and you will choose the correct artist for your special day. So let me be very clear, I will obviously not state the obvious questions such as their availability, their portfolio, what are their charges. All of these are very basic questions which you will obviously ask any artist. So I'm not going to be talking about that. I'm going to be going a level deeper and discussing the important details. Okay, so what are we waiting for? Let's get started. So the number 1 question that you need to ask your makeup artist is, which are the brands that they use? Okay, so with that you will get a better idea as to what kind of a makeup range are they using. So for example, they are charging on a higher end price tag and then they are using cheaper quality products that will harm your skin. So that is a very wrong way of doing business. So make sure that you're not getting fooled by that. Nowadays you can check the prices of any makeup brand and their products easily on Google. It is very readily available, so you will know what are the kind of products that are going to be used on you. And if they say non-branded products or anything, so be a little bit alert, because non-branded products are not really good for use, especially when it comes to makeup. It needs to be branded makeup, otherwise it's of not good quality. So please be aware of that. So, and also if they are being shady while answering this question, be alert. Okay, there is something fishy there. Okay, so the second question that you need to ask your makeup artist is that whether they offer a trial. Okay, now trial is offered usually for brides, not for party makeup, because party makeup is of a smaller price tag, so it is offered for brides. Now what does this mean? Trial is basically the entire makeup look of your wedding day will be shown to you, the outfit ideally, because otherwise it doesn't make sense. So you will know how your makeup will look on the D-Day. You'll get an idea of how the artist does this makeup. Now, many artists offer a free trial if they are newcomers or if they are running a promotion or something like that. That is option number 1. Option is 2, many people offer paid trial. They will charge you regardless of you booking them or not booking them. So basically they will ask you for a certain amount and you will have to pay whether you book them or not. And the third way of doing it is, some makeup artists will tell you that okay, pay me this much for the trial, and then if you book them they will compensate it along with the bridal makeup charge. So you know it will get included. So these are the 3 ways in which charges and trial thing works. The third question that you need to ask your makeup artist is, how much time will it take for them to get you ready on your special day? Whether it is party makeup, whether it is bridal makeup, there would be a certain time assigned to it. Now this also heavily depends on the fact whether they are coming alone or they are coming with a hairstylist, because it reduces that amount of time that will be taken. Okay, so you need to make sure you ask this question prior enough. Now this is very very specific to each situation. If there are multiple people who are going to get ready, if it's only the bride, if it's only one person who has to do that party makeup, so it depends on the situation entirely. So you need to ask them how much time it will take for them, because you need to plan accordingly, otherwise it will be a big mess. Indian weddings already do get very late, but still you need to have at least an idea of how much time it is going to take for them and how much time will you have on that day, and also the fact whether they will be able to get fast enough for that, and also will you be able to come early or not. So all of these things are very important, which many people again don't ask the makeup artist on the D-Day or before the day. Tedious situation. So please make sure to ask that at the time of booking itself. The fourth question that you need to ask your makeup artist is, do you need to pay them in advance? Okay, now advance is usually paid because the artist is booking the date for you, so that no other people can book them for that day. In case you cancel, they will be there without a booking, and if they were going to take an order for that day, they cancel it because of you. Now this is also dependent from artist to artist. Many artists still take an advance, many artists don't take an advance. Okay, so it depends from artist to artist, but you need to ask them, do they take an advance, and it would be certain percentage of the total amount. Okay, so you need to ask them that as well, if you are comfortable paying that or not also. So you need to get all of this thing clear well in advance, not after booking, because these are very important questions when it is related to money, when it is related to all of the minute things which many people miss, but are very minute details and important details of the makeup artist and the client's dealings. Now the fifth question and the most important question that you need to ask them is that, do they have any other booking on the same day? Because this is going to impact you a lot, believe it when I say that. Also, this question you need to ask them a few days before your event as well, because by that time they might get another booking as well. Okay, why do you need to ask this question is because when they have other events, they will be giving their time over there as well, and to you as well. So you need to make sure that they can get to you properly. Many artists make this huge mistake of overbooking themselves on the same day. Okay, and ideally they should not do that, but also it's like, because we have a certain season, and after that season we will not get a lot of orders, so it also makes sense on their part that they want to earn enough to last them a long time. So it's not entirely their fault, and also because Indian weddings get late, the schedule gets a bit messed up. So ideally they should not take more than 2 to 3 bookings a day. 3 is too much, ideally 2, or if it's 3 then the time gap should be there. You need to make sure to ask them how many more events do they are planning to go to on that same day. Will it be feasible for you? If like your schedule might change, or if your wedding might get late, is there a chance of that also? So you need to make sure all of this is clear, because all of this again creates a hassle on the D-Day. So please make sure that you do this and ask this very important question of how many other events do they have booked on that same day. If you have been a regular watcher of my channel, you would know that I give bonus tip at the end of each video. So today's bonus tip is that no matter whom you are booking, make sure they understand your vision, because that is very important. They align with you, you get a good rapport with them, you get a good feeling about them. If your gut is saying it is fishy, it is probably fishy. So make sure you understand them well before booking them, because it's your special day. A lot of memories are going to be attached to that day, and you need to make sure that you look your best version and the way you want to. So yeah, that was all for today. I hope you guys liked today's video. If you did, then please make sure to subscribe to my channel for more such videos, and I'm also very active on Instagram and Facebook. My handle is written over here, so please do make sure to follow me over there as well. And also a makeup artist, I do offer services of bridal makeup, party makeup and self makeup course. So if you would like to know more about that, my portfolio is available on Instagram. You can definitely check me out over there as well. Also, if you would like me to make a part 2 of this video, then please make sure to comment. Definitely I'll come up with more insights to give you that you will be able to book a better artist for your special day. Till next time, bye bye.